I'm Phil Howard, New Products Development Manager for Dow AgroSciences, here today with our newest innovation, the Recruit AG Flex Pack. The Sentricon toolbox has always come with in-ground stations and have always come with above-ground stations. We've made the above-ground stations just a little easier to use when it's inappropriate to use the in-ground stations, such as in crawl spaces or in attics, and in places where you typically wouldn't be able to take an in-ground station, such as restaurants, meat and poultry packing plants, anywhere in the house, even the kitchen. The above ground station can be used alone or it can be used in conjunction with an in-ground station. If it's used alone, you need to monitor it quarterly. But if it's used with an in-ground station, then you can monitor it when it's convenient to you and convenient to the homeowner. The changes we've made to the above ground station should make it easier for you to use. It will still come with 100 grams of bait to eliminate the average size colony. It will still come with the hard station that enables you to install it just the way you have in the past. And if you want to add additional bait, you can put an additional above ground station above it. When you're preparing your bait application, you're going to make a small incision at the top to add your water. We add 3 to 4 ounces of water. You can set that aside as you are getting ready to prep the area that you're going to apply it and come back later. Or if you want, you can knead it such that it absorbs the moisture and gets to that doughy paste. When your bait is ready to apply, grab your black cover, put it over, apply your liquid nails. I'm installing today with liquid nails and my staple gun. I've prepared the site and it's ready to go. You're going to want to make sure that you can monitor the station later, so you don't want to adhere the black cover at the bottom. You can still lift that up and take a look at the bait status. Once you've got it secured, you're going to want to press it firmly against the structure to make good contact with the bait and the termites. The above ground station is a perfect tool at closing a sale. You can start the colony elimination process immediately, giving the homeowner peace of mind. If you have questions about our new Flex Pack, don't hesitate to call your local Dow AgroScience representative.